Hello and welcome to my online English class. My name is Leo Gunasinghe. I'm a skilled and dedicated English teacher and trainer living here in beautiful Sri Lanka. However, for more than half my life I lived abroad where I obtained my education. I have 30 years of experience in teaching and training students and professionals to speak English well. Additionally, I have been an English news editor, a banker, and a manager. I train and help students to practice pronouncing English words accurately and understand and learn definitions of words. I will help you to learn to use words correctly in making sentences. And I will coach you and get you to practice speaking English loudly and confidently. My main strategy is to coach you to practice your English by observing and listening to correct sentence patterns. Why sentence patterns? Because naturally, when we were babies, we all learned our languages by listening to and observing spoken sentence patterns. That is the natural way for learning languages, including English. The more we observe, the more we listen to and hear and practice what we hear, the more effectively we gradually start to speak a language. That babyhood learning pattern, which is naturally successful among babies, is the natural way for even adults to learn. I invite you to join with me and learn and practice with me to speak and use the English language proficiently in your lives. So, do contact me for your very important introductory class. Do contact me.